So I just received in the mail this product. These are hair extensions by Doris, and it's 100% human hair. I got the 24-inch length. Here's the back of the box. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, so here it is here and here. So I have some eyelashes here, which I wasn't expecting to be in the package. And here, so this is a clip. We'll find out what that's for. Here is the little booklet that came with the hair extension. Looking it over, it says how other hair extension, how to apply it. It tells you that it's available in different weights. It tells you how to take care of them. Their customer service information about the hair, and then how to blend the hair extensions in with your own hair. I think I'm gonna try these out. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this as the comb because I say and go from ear to ear. Okay, so that did a good job on dividing the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this up above my head. So here we go. There's the back of my hair. Just gonna brush it. Okay. So it looks like it comes in this little net, hair net. So I'm just going to press in the middle and that opens the comb up. You see that now? Open up each of those. Okay, there's another one that's open. That one's open and that one's open. Okay, the back of my neck on the nape. Okay, so there's one. I'll do this one. I'll do this one. And I'll do this one. Okay, so I think I got the first set in along the nape of the neck. Okay, now we'll go ahead and read the instructions for the next section. Down. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl it as if it's my own hair and blend it in.